Oh, nice. Cool.
Neighborhood on the set.
Greetings and salutations, for it is I, Ray Ray the Way Way, coming at you in my grandma's pants that she gave me a long time ago. I'm finally wearing it since it's a summertime. Summertime, if you guys don't know, look, hello. And I also got new camera lens that my mom ordered on me off of eBay because the other one broke. I already explained this to the big old snap. Big old camera lens it is now. And I got a cold sore on my lip. Tell the homeboys, at least I don't have genital herpes. It's a herplex simplex virus. Everybody has that shit. Neighborhood. When I used to get them since I was in 6th grade, I don't know where the fuck I got it from. Could have been anything. Neighbor. I'm gonna clean my bike right now, like I do every day. Super hot, you guys. And then I'm gonna hold on, I'll take this off so you guys can see me. And then I'm gonna go to get something to eat. You already know I've been eating like a king for the past 2 days, possibly. Gotta eat some more. You guys trying to get big? Yes, I am. Trying to get better. Told the homeboy that I have a cold sore on my lip. Trying to get healthy before I start working out again. Alright, I'm gonna start cleaning up this bitch. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Keep it 5-5. Okay, she's a little bit clean. I didn't clean her too good. Like perfect, but I cleaned her enough to go places and looking shiny. It's almost Good Friday. I plan on going to Chimayo on Good Friday. Me and my grandpa and my cousins always used to walk over there, but now that we're grown-ups, we ride our Harleys and our lowriders. Yes, we do. I'm gonna go do my thing over there. You already know. Hopefully people leave me some good stuff. Neighborhood. Last time I went over there, I was sitting down on the rock wall and I took off my silver bracelet and I fucking forgot about it like an idiot. So hopefully there's a bunch of idiots who lose their fucking wallets and shit to come up for Ray Ray. I remember when I was in jail in Santa Fe, the balloon fiesta was going on and everybody was talking about how people lose shit at the balloon fiesta. I was like, damn right. Nincompoops, borrachos, perfect time for the lost and found to go swimming. Diving in that bitch, I mean. Neighbor. Finished cleaning it. You guys already heard in the last clip. I'm gonna have to empty out my saddlebag. Just keep a leather jacket and my grandpa's leather chaps in there in case it rains. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I don't even have a fucking helmet. Ow, helmet, you guys. Had the helmet on here and it vibrated, it came off. And then sometimes this shit vibrates so much. If I was to ever lose this shit, you guys, I would fucking turn back on the freeway and try to get it. Look, it's already like the leather's coming off, man. I wonder how much these cost on eBay, but I don't plan on losing this shit, you guys. Yeah. So. Neighbor. Okay. It's this is my old park, you guys. Really for real. I'm gonna take a hit of the ganja. You already know. Mama blessed me with the joint, but I don't really smoke joints. But I'll empty it in my piece and put some wax on top of it. Oh, the summer's gonna be lit, you guys. I've been waiting for the summer for long enough. It's long overdue. Too bad when it's a beautiful day and all the bikers are out. I got a cold sore on my lip. It'll go away. Tipi tipi ti, tipi ti, tipi tipi to, tipi to, todo la mañana. Esta es mi canción. hood. They're having a good time as well, whoever the fuck that is over there. Oh, there's people, look. People on here. I thought it was a house over there. I never been inside there. I didn't know they had chairs like that. Oh, I'm growing out my hair too, you guys. Growing out my hair and growing out my mustache, but my mustache is already starting to feel like I'm stupid, so I might cut it. Once this cold sore goes away, you guys, I'm gonna cut my mustache again. And it's the summertime and I'm going on vacation next month. So you know what that means, it's blonde boy. Time to have more fun. I'm gonna probably buy some blonde hair dye again and paint my hair blonde. Bleach that whole motherfucker. Neighbor. You guys listening to 89.1 KENW 89.1 Radio Lobo. Lo que toca puras buena. Oh wait, no, I said two different radio stations. Not Radio Lobo. That's that other stupid Mexican shit that my ex showed me. We are Nuevo Mexican, New Mexicans, New Mexicans and Southern Coloradans, true Northern Hispanics and Southern Coloradan Hispanics. Been here since before this state was even colonized. Neighborhood, we've been here on this land. We're more Indians than we are Mexicans. Let me rephrase that again for you guys. Me and my grandma and my mom and my family are more Indians than we are Mexicans, okay? So don't ever disrespect me with that punk ass shit. I'm a true Northern Hispanic, indigenous. My grandma told me when I wanted to fix my teeth, just tell them that you live in the reservation, because that's where my Auntie Mina lives, in the Okewinga reservation. That's why they always give me all kinds of OK Casino jackets, because that's where my Auntie Mina wins from the casino. They give it to my Grandmasita, and you know Grandmasita gives it to me. Hopefully she's doing good, you guys. I haven't seen or heard from her in a while. She's gonna come up here probably on Sunday. My mom got to go pick her up. I don't know for what. And then next Friday is Good Friday. Talk to her and see if I can go down to her house on Friday and go meet her and stuff like that. I remember last year I was a Good Friday and it was windy as fuck, you guys, and I was drinking and riding my bike. So when I was drinking in Hemis, and when I got all the way to the church, I couldn't even get down and have fun. And my friend said that his mom and dad were over there. I was like, man, I just fucking went over there and looked at everybody and left. I was drunk. I shouldn't even have fucking... But not this year, you guys. This year, all I do is just smoke, eat, and ride. Neighbor. I take my breathalyzer off in 3 days, you guys. The final payment. Still waiting for the state to text me back to see if I can get my his license back. It said 14 business days, so let's see if they hit me up in a timely manner. Hopefully they don't be hating on me and they fucking take my shit away. On neighborhood crib, that'll be the end of my life. Really. See you guys in the next clip. Neighborhood! 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 Neighbor! Orale, Richard! Fuck you! Big ol' fat nerd, you guys. Big ol' fat nerd that I used to go to school with. ¡Que roncha, pendejo! That's the guy that told me que roncha, you guys. He's the guy that says que roncha. Everybody's like, what the fuck is that? I'm like, I don't know. I think it means que rollo. But roncha, his way of saying it. Like the ranchero. Some people said roncha is like a big giant bowl on the neck, boil. I don't know what the fuck that is. But he knows. You seen once I said que roncha, he turned around all quick. But then I had to fuck it up by calling him a pendejo. Damn! told you guys, it's very hot. Very hot. Gotta put some gas before I go fill up myself, my panza. I was looking for, see, it's so hot the fucking fan's turning on. But that's good, that means it's working. I was looking for the Dairy Queen, but I think I passed it. If I can find a Wiener Schnitzels or something good, I'll go over there. My wallet, but it's over here in my pants. Thank God. I thought I heard something fall out earlier, but it was just a Coke can that I ran over. I got some money saved right here, you guys. That's the only way I can save, if I put the saving money here and the spending money here. This is the most I've ever put in it. Look, $16.76. So it takes more than $15 of gas. I don't know how much money I got on the credit card, but I got my food money right here, and I got some other ones that I was saving for gas. Since I filled it up, damn, $20, holy shit. What the hell? Must have been super low, you guys. I only had one line. I only had one line, and I've been fucking driving around the city with that shit for a while. Let me count up my affairs real quick. I'm gonna have enough to get me a big meal. Wow! Holy shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Full tank of gas, and I have more money for food. A lot of food. I can go to Lotta Burger. I can get something good. Hell yeah. And I already, helped out the jefita with the rent money like I do every fucking week. Neighborhood. Real man, paying the bills. Oh shit, I gotta look on the phone and see how much money I got on the credit card. That's crazy. I didn't know I had $16 on it. Imagine if I have over 20. That'll be cool too. Look, there I am. Check it out, you guys. I put like $16.76 in gas. That's the most I've ever spent in gas. So it takes more than 15 bucks. Check it out, you guys. I put like $16.76 in gas. That's the most I've ever spent in gas. Shit, did I put my wallet away? I got $2.97. Oh, $16 on gas. Holy shit. I better not go down any lines. Here I come, Wiener Schnitzels. I'm the weenie boy. I was gonna go to Whataburger, but there's a big ass line over there. And since I remember the street, my mom used to work at the JCPenney's back in 2005 or 2006.
How about a nice Is that all?
Wow.
I have one chocolate dipped cone and one chocolate shake. Correct? $6.54. Thank you. Please hold.
What the hell? That sounds like a professional computer. I don't even know what I want from here, you guys. I'm gonna get something though. Yeah, this Wiener Schnitzels has been here forever. Hi. All right. huh? Here I am. Oh, let's see. Can I get a number 3? Can I get the burger plain with only meat and cheese only? I think that's everything.
And you want to keep it small?
Yes.
Okay, for here to go.
For here?
Okay. 1025?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Thank you.
All right. Probably gonna sit outside right here and eat my food, you guys. This is a good spot, huh? Yeah. Let me see if this is magnetic. It'll be the perfect spot. It's the perfect spot, you guys. I just don't have my camera to see to see what the view looks like, but I'll go get it from my saddlebag. Pretty good decision. Oh, those are nasty, you guys. Fish and chips. Maybe if you had tartar sauce, yeah, but no. Good decision I made, you guys, to come over here and eat. And it was only like 10.25 or some shit. Hopefully it's good shit.
Here.
Oh, okay. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, she knew I have no patience, you guys. Let me go get the, well, let's see how this shit looks like. I seen it says no chili. Maybe it just has cheese and chili. You know me, I like mine. Maybe I should have got it with chili. And then here's the chili cheese dog. I don't like it that it has a big old cheese in it. I just like chili, but whatever. Smells good as fuck. Where's the freaking ketchup packet? Should go sit inside because it's fresher in there. But I like sitting out here, you guys. I'll just go in there, get napkins and a refill before I leave. Salt and pepper. Salt, whatever. And there's my washing machine, you guys. The 2008 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad. The washing machine, I call it. I still can't see. I don't have the camera with me. These burgers hurts to open my mouth, you guys, with that cold sore that I got. Okay, the burger's good. Fries are okay. I thought that was. That was some good shit, you guys. Oh my god, this is some good stuff, you guys. Yeah. I'm gonna eat my meal and I'll hit you guys up when I leave. Thank you for watching Neighborhood. This is it, you guys. I'm gonna save this for whenever I'm smoking and I'm hungry. Well, all stoned, you know, just to take away the stonedness so I can get ready for round 2. I'm gonna go get some Coke as well and a lid, and then I'm on my way. Wanted to tell that lady thank you, that was good, but I got scared. Look at this lady, hopefully she don't fucking hit my shit. Called my mom and said if she wanted some something from here, but she didn't answer. Phew, so let's see how much money I got. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 bucks, that's cool. I'll put it right here. Someone stepped on the wet concrete and now their shoe marks are here forever. Alright, you guys, well, this was me at the Wiener Schnitzels. Very full. Gotta go find a river and soak myself in some water. And I also gotta go home and take a shower. Let me be a boss and light it up. Neighbor! On the set. Yo. Yeah, you want something from Wiener Schnitzels? Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go home and take a shower. You home? Oh, okay, well, there I go. Grandmasita's coming tomorrow. Mama washing the sheets. Oh look, my camera thing. This is it, the camera. Neighbor. Thank you, Wiener Schnitzels. I never tried the cotton candy ice cream from here. I like the Dairy Queen ice cream better. Neighborhood! Daddy's home. Ow! Ow, my foot. Oh, still hurting my fucking heel. Ouch. Okay, so that shit can stay in there. I need... this wallet and my pants. This, I'll take this too. I'll get this dirt, the burger and the Coke.